SpaceXAI's new Grok 4.6 just tied GPT-5.6 Sol as the world's third best AI model, and it costs over 60% less than its rivals. In the next 4 minutes, I'll show you how XAI hit the frontier without building a bigger model, where Grok 4.6 wins, and the one thing it's still bad at. I analyzed 30 sources for this breakdown, including XAI's official model card, independent benchmarks from Artificial Analysis, reporting from VentureBeat and The Decoder, and hands-on reviews from real developers. No sponsorship, no hype, just the numbers. Here's the part that stopped me cold. Grok 4.6 uses the exact same 1.5 trillion parameter foundation as Grok 4.5. This is not a bigger model. The entire jump came from post-training alone. A longer supplemental training run, curated reasoning data, and an improved optimizer and reinforcement learning recipe. And the result? It scores 61 on the third-party Artificial Analysis Intelligence Index. That's up 5 points from Grok 4.5 and up 23 points since Grok 4.3. That ties OpenAI's GPT-5.6 Sol Max and sits just behind Anthropic's Claude Opus 5 at 63. That makes Grok the world's third best model on the index. For the whole field, that's a signal. You may not need a bigger brain to climb the frontier. It's a real-world test of just how far post-training can push a model. Now, here's where it gets interesting for your wallet. Pricing stayed at $2 per 1 million input tokens and $6 per 1 million output tokens, unchanged from Grok 4.5. That's over 60% cheaper than Claude Opus 5 and GPT 5.6 Sol. Let me put that in real money. A task using 1 million input tokens and 250,000 output tokens costs about $3.50 on Grok 4.6. That same task runs about $12.50 on GPT 5.6 Sol. Artificial Analysis measured the cost per task at just 84 cents, placing Grok 4.6 right on the intelligence versus cost Pareto frontier. One reviewer summed it up perfectly. It's like Claude Fable 5, but dirt cheap. So, where does it shine? Long-running agentic knowledge work and turn efficiency. On one benchmark, Grok finished in about 53 turns versus Claude Opus 5's roughly 103 turns. Reviewers reported up to 3 times faster real-world speed. But I promised you the losing rose too. It trails on hard software engineering. DeepSWE version 1.1 comes in at 65.9% versus Sol's 73%. And on Terminal Bench version 3.0, it scores just 26%, dead last among 4 models. So the buying rule is simple. Use Grok when you can supervise. Reach for Opus or Fable for autonomous coding. Grok 4.6 is a genuine comeback story. XAI went from being way behind ChatGPT and Claude just months ago to neck and neck now, all through post-training. Right now, it's the best value at the frontier for supervised knowledge work. And here's the cliffhanger. Elon Musk has already teased a bigger 2.1 trillion parameter Grok 4.7, trained on SpaceX data, only weeks away. This is our honest take, unsponsored, built from 30 sources. If this saved you time, hit subscribe. Drop a comment below. Is post-training the future, or do we still need bigger models? Smash that like button and stick around for our Grok 4.7 coverage the moment it drops.